Today we're talking about Chapter 18, Section 1, Everything is Connected. Studying the web of life. The main concept of ecology means the study of interactions of living organisms with one another and their environment. And essentially we're talking about how living things interact with each other and what's around them. There are two parts of an environment. The first part of the environment is what is called biotic. Biotic is everything that is alive in the environment. This includes everything that is currently living or once was living. So it includes the tree that is growing in your backyard, and if you have a tree that is down the backyard, it includes that as well because it once was alive. The other part is an abiotic factor. An abiotic factor is something that does not live, it's non-living. This includes water, rocks, lights, temperature, soil, and air. Organization in the environment. The environment is organized into different levels. The smallest level is the individual organism. This kitten here is an individual organism. It is just one member of its species. You are an individual organism as well. So therefore you are at the lowest level of organization within the environment. The next level is a population. The population is a group of individuals of the same species that live together. So here, to demonstrate this, we have a litter of kittens. These are all members of the same species, and they coexist together. The next level is a community. A community is all the populations of species that live together and interact with one another. This means you have at least two species together. In our picture here, we have a kitten and a puppy. They are two species that live together in the same house, and they interact with one another. The ecosystem is a community of organisms and their abiotic environment. So in this picture here, we have our kitten, and we have our second species here, the goldfish. Now, again, this is a community, so it includes the cat and the goldfish and the abiotic environment. So it also includes the water and the air, anything that is abiotic. The highest level of organization is the biosphere. This is part of the earth where life exists. So everything from the bottoms of the oceans, the soil in the bottoms of the oceans, up to the highest mountain peaks. Anywhere on earth that life exists is included within the biosphere. To summarize it up, I have used a visual aid. We start with the individual, the smallest. Population are all the same species that live together. Community, two or more species that live together in the same area. The ecosystem, which again is all the communities and the abiotic. And the biosphere, which is everywhere on earth that life exists. Notice we started small and we worked our way to the largest level. That's today's lesson.